Luka, a small kitten living in a peaceful village, is bullied by his classmates because of his small and weak appearance. He is very sad and always wants to become strong. On the way home in a torrential rain, Luka is struck by lightning and wakes up with the superpower of creating lightning from his hands. Luka gradually learns to use his powers. Luka uses this power to face Max and his bullies, causing them to run away in panic. From then on, Luka became the protector of weak children in school and was loved and respected by his friends.